In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header to Google Forms. 5 minutes. Adding a header is a quick way to give your form a polished, on-brand look, and it only takes a moment. Start by opening Google Forms and selecting the form you want to edit. If you're creating a new form, give it a title first so your header makes sense in context. Google Forms saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing your work as you go. Look to the top right of the form and click the paint palette icon labeled Customize Theme. This opens a sidebar on the right with visual options for your form. In that panel, find the header section and click Choose Image. This is where you'll decide what your banner looks like. You have three easy choices. First, themes. This is Google's built-in library of pre-designed images, neatly organized into categories like work, school, illustrations, and more. It's the fastest way to get a clean professional header without designing anything yourself. Pick one that fits your purpose and move on. Second, upload. Click Upload, then browse to select an image from your computer. This is ideal if you have a logo-based banner or a branded graphic. For best results, use a wide image rather than a tall one, and keep important text away from the edges so it doesn't get cropped. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well, and a crisp, high-resolution file will prevent blurriness. Third, photos. If your images are already in Google Photos, choose that tab and select the one you want. This is especially handy if you manage your assets in the cloud and want to keep everything consistent across projects. After you select an image, you'll see a sizing tool to crop it to the recommended header shape. Drag the crop box so the key part of your image sits squarely in the center. If something important is getting cut off, try a wider image or zoom out until it fits. When it looks right, click Done to apply it. Google Forms will automatically adjust the form's color palette to match your new header, which helps everything feel cohesive. If the colors aren't quite what you want, the theme panel includes controls for background color and font style so you can fine-tune the look to match your brand or event. That's it. You've added a header to your Google form and your changes are saved automatically. Open your form anytime to swap images or update the theme as your needs evolve.